Yeah, you just make it out. Brake lights ain't working? He never touched down, it won't work. Down, it don't work. You gotta push it way down for it to come on. The turn signal brake light comes on, it's real one. Oh, they work. If the switch on there has like a long plunger on it, that's why like it won't start like the maximum way back. Yeah, they can't walk. It's bad, bro. You can man, you come back in here, Chris. You can work outside today.
God damn, them bitches big. 3-inch? Man, hell no, them definitely 3. Hell yeah, it gotta be at least 3. It already felt like you were kind of in it. No, sir. No. That bitch get up. It snatched back too. Damn. Man, I wish this bitch could have pulled up yesterday to the show. It would have made a scene.
Handles great.
Right, I don't feel no like bump or nothing when it hit the brakes. This shit smooth as hell.
Ain't nothing rubbing and scrubbing.
Real driver, boy.
Super smooth. Easy to drive.
Man.
This is a casual 90, 100 mile an hour burnout.
Huh?
Not like 100 burning out.
That's crazy.
Haze in the tires.
That's crazy.
It disguises the speed, like you wouldn't think you're going that fast.
Man, it's just so awesome, bro.
Yeah.
That shit just so awesome.
You pull the red lights like a stock car.
Yeah, just
500 RPM, idling, nothing crazy.
Don't even pull back in. I'm gonna hop out right here and catch you go down and come back up. So these new headlights that he just got.
Headlights for him, everything. Hey, this marker light don't work? Mark?
What you mean? Which one? Oh. LED lights on it.
They don't stick to the grill. Like you gotta push it in and turn.